This is Ahmet and Sumet. They are two ambitious freshers who started at the company on the exact same day, with identical degrees and the same educational backgrounds. But after just 1 year, their paths look very different. Sumet is being handed a major promotion, while Ahmet is still working in his original role. If their technical skills were exactly the same, why did the company only choose to elevate Sumet? To understand the difference, we have to look at professional etiquette. This is the practice of behaving appropriately and ensuring the people you work with feel respected and comfortable. While a university degree serves as your entry point into a company, it is your daily behavior and manners that build the long-term trust and respect required to advance. The first step in building trust starts before you even reach your desk. The morning routines of these two freshers create very different first impressions. Ahmet often makes choices that distract his colleagues. He grabs shirts that are wrinkled or unironed, and he applies a heavy, overpowering perfume right before walking into the office. Sumet focuses on the basics. He chooses subtle, light colors, ensures his clothes are neatly pressed, combs his hair, and ensures his shoes are polished. Professional dressing doesn't require expensive clothes. It simply means your garments are clean, well-fitted, and wrinkle-free. Personal hygiene is also part of your presentation. Using a mild deodorant to prevent body odor ensures you aren't a source of discomfort for the people working near you. When you put effort into how you look, you signal that you respect the workplace. Managers notice this level of care and translate it into professional reliability. Once you're inside the office, it helps to view the workplace as a shared environment, a place where everyone must be a respectful guest. Ahmet have a habit of disrupting this shared space. He leaves trash on his desk. He peeps into other people's cubicles without asking and takes loud personal calls that distract everyone around him. Sumet, however, keeps his phone on silent or vibrate. He keeps his workstation tidy, and he always knocks and waits for a response before entering someone else's space. He understands the power of basic courtesy. Sumet offers a warm smile to the support staff and maintains respectful eye contact with his peers. Treating your environment and your coworkers with respect proves you are a team player. It shows you are an asset to the organization's culture, not a liability. These habits are tested most during team meetings, where focus and preparedness are on full display. During these sessions, Ahmet often slouches in his chair. He tends to interrupt others when they are speaking and relies entirely on his memory to keep track of his tasks. Sumet sits up straight and listens actively. He waits for his turn to speak and is always documenting the boss's instructions in a notebook. There is a golden rule for any professional meeting. Never enter the room without a pen and a notepad to jot down important points. This signals that you value the speaker's time. It gives management the confidence that you are responsible enough to handle complex tasks without making preventable errors. This is why Sumet was chosen for the promotion. His consistent, polite behavior over the past year made him appear trustworthy and ready for leadership. You can begin building this same professional reputation today. First, always wear neat, clean, and appropriate clothes. Second, never go to a meeting without a pen and a diary. And third, smile and speak politely, using the power of please and thank you. You may not be able to change your past education, but you have complete control over your daily conduct. In the end, it is your daily behavior and your professional manners that will determine just how far you go.